Hi, today we will be using pixlr.com to work on photo editing and Photoshop type stuff. So the website is www.pixlr.com, and there you will go to create an image. It will bring you to this screen, which I have already done. Then you can go to create new, and it'll give you different types, or you just go to a stock search of what you want to look for, and I searched nature, and there's lots of trees and nature things that you can find. I liked this image, so this is the one that I will be showing you all how to edit. I liked the full HD version. It just looked the best to me. So you have your image right here, and there's all these different toolbars. So arrange, crop, cut out, adjust, filter, effect, liquify, retouch, drawing, text, add element, or add image. The filter is the easiest one to use for photo editing purposes. You can sharpen it to make everything more detailed, which I liked. More clarity, you can change it to be extremely clear or like kind of fuzzy. I like it kind of in the middle. Smooth everything out or don't. You can blur it all or keep it clear. The vignette kind of gives that dark hue around the outside if you wanted to focus on the light, or if you wanted to make the outsides brighter. Fringe kind of gives it this weird hypnotic filter. And there's just a lot of other things that you can use to play with the image. And if you go to adjust, you can change the colors of it, so that gives it more of a warm tone versus a cooler tone. You can give it different temperatures. Now in the liquify section, say we wanted to swirl these roots around. You can kind of see that slowly we are swirling the roots. Now that's just one way that you can edit these photos, and in a class I would use this to see if students knew how to use a computer in any sort of editing device. They could use this for a variety of reasons. They could work with Photoshop on it. I personally am not good at Photoshop. I never have been, but it's very capable of being done. They could create posters, like if we were to add text over here, we could do this for an Earth Day event if we wanted to use this to create some sort of poster. It could be for a public relations course. And I hope that this gives you a brief understanding of how to use pixlr.com. Thank you.